This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Wiper blade renewal. To remove a windscreen wiper blade, pull the arm away from the screen. Swivel the blade through 90 degrees, depress the clip and slide the blade out of the arm's hooked end. Place a cloth on the windscreen to protect the glass and return the wiper arm carefully so it sits on the cloth. Lift the wiper arm away from the windscreen and slide the new blade onto the hooked end until it is firmly in position. Remove the cloth and return the wiper arm to its normal position.